Ukushona kukaBraston kuqinisekiswe iqembu iOrlando Pirates izolo kusihlwa. Owasebenza naye kakhulu eqenjini iKaizer Chiefs uPatco Mafani uthi ugqemeke engeqiwa ntwala.
When I heard about this izolo, ntambama, I welcome kakhulu, I must say, was deeply hurt, particularly because mna ukufika kwami ebholeni izinto ezininzi ndizifundiswe nguye.
uMafani owabe ngumxhumanisi womphakathi neqembu iKaizer Chiefs uthi ukuze gcineke umlando kaShabalala izwe kufanele litshala imali ekuthuthukiseni abadlali bebhola abancane.
Kwangeli xesha igazi umphathiswa omtsha wemidlalo uGate Mackenzie igazi lakhe lisatshisa. Unokuthi kwangeli xesha akhe ahlale phantsi noDr Danny Jordan, upresident weSAFA, khe bathethe about how an academy of the levels of a school of excellence could be renewed, could be brought back again.
uShabalala ushone kulandela ukulimala akuthola khathi edutshulwa izinsolaboya ezayizophanga emzini wakhe ngaseqaleni ke kwalonyaka. uMafani uphosela inselele ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa omusha.
Xa kusiwa abantu abanamagama amakhulu eSouth Africa, ingqondo zethu funeka sicinge of the ordinary citizens, the ordinary people of our country, ukuthi they are exposed to crime. I-crime is cancer number 1. Ukujongela phansi i-freedom that was so painfully fought for.
uShabalala waba ngumqeqeshi ompisholo wokuqala ukuqeqesha iqembu lesizwe iBafana Bafana khathi libuyiselwa kwezemidlalo yiFIFA ngo-1992.
I've been so fortunate to work with Braston as the manager of the national team, at the young age. What a bubbly person he's always been. You wouldn't sit with Braston and never laugh.
Ungomunye wabasunguli beKaizer Chiefs. Waqeqesha iMamelodi Sundowns lapha asungula khona indlela yokudlala yeSundowns eyaziwa ngepiano and shoe shine nokuyindlela iqembu elisadlala ngayo namanje lapho liyivikela khona lihlasele liyimbumba. Wasuka lapho wachitha iminyaka eneqhaza ezinhlakeni ezihlukene zeqembu iOrlando Pirates. Imininingwane ngenkonzo yesikhumbuzo kanye nomngcwabo wakhe ibingakadalulwa.